This is how you tie some of these 4Andy headscarves. You're gonna start with it open like this, and then you need to fold it into a triangle shape. I usually like to have one side a little bit longer than the other, just so that you don't get some of the inside showing when you flip it the other way. Now from here, you're gonna take this long edge and you're gonna place it at the very back of your head. This is easier if you have no hair, so if you're buying it for a patient, they'll be able to do this easily, but if you have hair, just tuck it into the back. Make sure that it's all in there, and then you're gonna bring these long edges around to the front. Now this is the most important part. When you tie this first tie, you want it to be super tight. This is what's gonna secure it on your head. Just pull my ears out a little bit, and then this is your base. From here, you wanna pull this top part through, and you're gonna take these long ties on either side of that top part coming around. You're gonna tie your second knot here. Cool, once you've done that, you're gonna have 3 little levers, and you can kind of do whatever you want. I've seen some people leave them. I like to pull 2 in one hand, 1 in the other. I tie one last extra knot, and then you just tuck the rest in wherever you want to tuck them. And then your headscarf is ready to go.